Hi everybody and welcome to Monday Maths with Miss Bradbury. Hope you all had a really good weekend, and this week in Maths we are going to be learning about subtraction. Now subtraction is the posh way of saying take away or minus. So subtract or subtraction, minus and take away, they all mean the same thing. It basically means to take something away, to remove something. If there's lots of objects and you take some away, then you have less objects. So we are going to be using a 10 frame. So you will need to draw, and this will be really good practice for your drawing as well and your writing skills. If you can draw one of these on a piece of paper, so basically you've got 10 little squares, and actually you can make them quite big. You could do this on a whole piece of paper. Get a grown-up to help you as well. And this is what we call a 10 frame, because there are 10 little boxes that we can put objects on. At school, we would normally use an egg box. You know, we've got those egg boxes, they're kind of grey, and we put objects in there, but we're just going to use the flat piece of paper. So if you want to pause the video and make your 10 frame, then you can, or if your grown up has got a printer, but actually it's just easier just to draw one yourself. Also, you are going to need 10 objects. So you could use buttons, you could use pieces of pasta, you could use bottle tops, you could use coins. They don't have to be all the same, they can be different, but you just need 10 of something so that you can pop them on your frame and move them around. So pause the video while you go and get your bits and bobs. Okay, and welcome back. So you should have a 10 frame and you should have 10 objects. So let's have a look. I've got pink buttons on mine because you know me, I love the colour pink. Now I'm going to show you this number sentence down here. So we have got the number 7, and then we've got this little symbol here, and then we've got the number 2, and then we've got equals. We know equals, don't we? Now 7, now this little symbol here is the way of saying in maths subtract or minus or take away. So this is the symbol we would use. Do you remember last week we did adding or addition or plus? It had a line going down that way. It looks a little bit like a cross. Well, this one, it's just a line across, and this means taking away, basically. So if we were to read this number sentence, it would be 7 subtract 2 equals, okay? Let's put it in a different way. Let's use the term take away. 7 take away 2 equals. So what I would like you to do is put 7 objects on your 10 frame, please. If you want to pause the video while you do that, you can. Okay, so you should now have 7 objects on your 10 frame. 7 take away 2, because our number sentence tells us what to do, doesn't it? 7 take away 2 equals. So you've got your 7. What are you going to do? That's right, you're going to take away. And how many are you going to take away? Yes, that's right, you're going to take away 2. So take away 2. You can watch Miss Bradbury as well. There's 1 and then 2. And then how many are we left with? That's right, 5. So 7 take away 2 equals 5. Or 7 subtract 2 equals 5. Let's see what our next challenge is. Okay, so let's read our number sentence first. This is going to tell us what we need to do. 5 take away or subtract 3 equals. Okay, 5 take away 3 equals. How many are you going to put on your 10 frame? There's a clue above to help you. That's right, put 5 objects on your 10 frame for me. You can put them on there like Miss Bradbury, or you could put them in a different arrangement, but make sure that there are 5 objects on your 10 frame. Go. Okay, so we've got 5 and we're taking away how many? Yes, that's right, 3. When you take them away, move them right out of the way. In fact, I like to put them behind my back, so I know that they're totally out the way and that I'm not going to get confused and count them. So you can take the ones you're taking away, just pop behind your back or put them in your hand, or in your other hand or something like that. Make sure they're not there. So 5 take away 3. I'm going to take mine away now. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. So how many are you left with? So you have, well, make sure you do it. You've got 5. Take away 3 of your objects. How many are left? That's right, there are 2 objects left because we've got 5 take away 3 equals 2. Okay, here's our next challenge. Let's read our number sentence to tell us what to do. 8 subtract or take away 1 equals, okay, 8. So put 8 objects on your 10 frame. Pause the video if you need to. So we've got 8, take away 1. Okay, what are you going to do then? That's right, you're going to take away 1. So take 1 away, hide it behind your back. How many do you have left? Count them if you need to. There's Miss Bradbury's, she's taken 1 away. And we have got 7 objects left. 8 take away 1 equals 7. Okay, here's our next challenge. So this is telling us what to do. 2 subtract 2 equals. So we've got 2, and Miss Bradbury's put 2 buttons on her 10 frame. You put 2 objects on yours. That's right, well done. And we're going to take away how many? 2. That's right. I'm going to take mine away. You take yours away. Let's do it together. 1, 2. Oh, how many do I have left on my 10 frame? That's right, 0. So 2 take away or subtract 2 equals 0. Here's our next subtraction challenge. Let's read the number sentence together. 6 take away or subtract or minus 3 equals, so 6 take away 3 equals, so pop 6 objects on your frame. Pause the video if you need to. Okay, so we've got 6 objects on there. We're going to take away how many? Yes, 3, that's right. I'm going to take my 3 away. You take yours away, and let's see if we've both got the same number of objects left. Go. 1, 2, and 3. How many do you have left? That's right, 3. So 6 take away 3 equals 3. Okay, here's our next challenge. Read the sentence with me. 9 take away 4 equals. You've got it. How many are we putting on our 10 frame to start off with? This number here, there's your clue. 9. Pop 9 objects on your frame. Pause the video if you need to. Okay, so you've got 9 objects on your frame and we're going to take away how many? 4. Yep, so take 4 of them away. I'm going to take mine away now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then how many are left? How many do you have left? That's right, there are 5 left. So 9 take away 4 equals 5. Okay, so let's have a look at our number sentence. 10 take away 0 equals. So how many are you going to put in your 10 frame? Have a look here. That's right, 10. Pop 10 in your 10 frame. And then how many are we going to take away? That's right, 0. So how many do we have left? Yes, that's right. We have 10 left. 10 take away 0 or nothing equals 10. It's the same amount because we haven't taken any away. We haven't subtracted any and we haven't added any, have we? Okay, here we go. Here's another challenge. Let's read our sentence. 7 subtract 6 equals. So how many are you going to put on your frame? That's right, 7. Pop 7 objects on your frame. Well done. And we're going to take away 6. So take 6 objects away. I'm going to do mine. How many objects do you have left? Yes, that's right, 1. So 7 subtract 6 equals 1. Okay, now I'm going to put some number sentences up. I would like you now to have a little go at working out these number sentences with your 10 frame all by yourself or with a grown-up to help you if you need some extra support. Let's read the sentence together and then you can do your bits and bobs with your objects and your frame. Let's go. 3 take away 2 equals. Can you work out the answer? How many are you going to pop on your frame? Yes, that's right, 3. Pop 3 on your frame. And you're going to take away how many? Yep, take away 2 equals. How many do you have left? That's right, the answer is 1. 3 take away 2 equals 1. Okay, get ready. How many do we need to put on our frame now? What number is this? That's right, it's number 8. So pop 8 objects onto your frame. Off you go. If you need more time, pause the video. So 8 subtract 5 equals. So you've got 8. You're going to take away 5. So take 5 away. How many are you left with? Yes, well done. It's 3. 8 take away 5 equals 3. Okay, right, so put this amount of objects onto your 10 frame. Pop 6 objects onto your frame. If you need more time, pause the video. You've got 6. You're going to subtract or take away 5. So you've got 6. You're going to take away 5. Pop 5 behind your back. How many do you have left? That's right, you have got 1 left. Okay, so we've got a big number here. We've got 10. Pop 10 objects on your frame. Well done. 10. What does this mean again, this symbol? Yes, that's right. Subtract or take away or minus. So 10, take away 8. So take 8 away, pop 8 behind your back. How many do you have left? That's right, there are 2 left. Well done, everybody. So today we have been learning about subtraction within 10 using a 10 frame and objects. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.